Our intention is to massively disrupt the network marketing industry, to change it radically with technology developed for the specific and unique challenges of this industry. We will become a household name. We will become the must-have toolkit for any network marketer that considers themselves to be a professional. And in doing so, we are going to help millions and millions of people succeed and improve their lives. How? By solving your biggest challenges, the challenges that are truly unique to this world. Your personal brand, your social media, your communications, your relationships, your team management. All things that are, if you study other industries, you'll find these challenges are actually quite unique to the world of network marketing. They are challenges, and I'm sure you've seen this yourself in your Facebook timeline every day, that online gurus have been promising to solve for years, but haven't. But we will. We will solve them simply and easily with the magic of AI. Announcing officially NowAI. Created for modern marketers. Whether you have a team of 100,000 or if it's just your first day. After 6 years and meeting thousands of you, I can tell you that my team and I see you, we understand what makes you unique, we understand your needs. And we've built exactly what you need to succeed, to empower marketers everywhere. What we've done is use artificial intelligence to analyze the most successful leaders, influencers, and marketers. And what NowAI will do is guide you on a very clear, very simple step-by-step path to success. It is a modern playbook built by AI and proven by the most successful marketers. But it's fully customized to you. This is not some generic tool. You are at the center of it. So what is NowAI? This is the moment. NowAI is you. It is an AI version of you, in fact. Here's how it works. When you get started, the first thing that you'll do is train your AI over the course of a few minutes so that it knows you as much as you're willing to share about yourself. And it will begin to think like you. And yes, it will even begin to write just like you would. So your AI is trained by you to be authentic to who you really are. And it looks like this. You'll start by answering a few simple questions, just in a friendly chat with your AI. Maybe your interests, your hobbies, your professional history, maybe your education, whatever you're willing to share with your AI in a friendly chat. It will help to identify areas of interest. It will help to identify popular figures that perhaps you admire. And you will provide it with a writing sample that it will learn to emulate, so that in everything that it does for you, it has your own unique tone. It has your personality. It understands how you write. And I can tell you from personal experience with my AI, which I have access to, I can't tell the difference anymore between what I write and what just an AI writes for me. It's incredible. So after that, after about 5 minutes of training your AI on information about yourself and your writing style, now it's time to meet your AI for the first time. And this is so cool. It will first help you define your personal brand with a slogan or motto for your personal brand. It will also write your hero story. And if you've been participating in our boot camp, our Brand Me personal branding boot camp, the hero story, we know how important that is to a personal brand. Well, your AI will create that for you. And a personality analysis to show how well it understands you. All of that, your personal brand instantly built by an AI version of you. But come on, that's just the onboarding. That's nothing. Let's see what it can really do now. How about this? Authentic, original social media posts created for you every single day. All different types. For example, an image with a caption. Created for Facebook, for Instagram, for LinkedIn, for Twitter. Just that easy. Maybe you have an image already and you just wanted to write a caption. No problem. It'll do that too. Maybe you want a short text-only post, like an inspiring quote. It can do that. Or maybe you want something longer, like a blog. Just click. And there it is, in your tone, on a topic of interest to you, ready to post. Unlimited, by the way. But we're just getting started. What about writing all of your messages? Yes, all of your messages, from making new connections to comments on social media to closing sales. It's going to do that too. So we all know Sales AI, or those of you who are customers should be familiar with Sales AI. So Sales AI is getting a whole new look, simple, much easier to use. So to create those original outreach messages, yes, it will continue to do that, but it's going to do a lot more. Let's say someone replies and you're not sure exactly what to say back. Just paste the reply that you receive, and your AI will write a perfect response. We all know that it's important not just to post on social media, it's also important to engage on social media, to comment on other people's posts. That's how we build relationships. So let's say I come across a post of someone that I follow, one of my friends, and I see it, and I'd like to engage with it and write a thoughtful comment. Well, all I do is I copy and paste the post here, and your AI will write a perfect comment that you can just add to that post. Thoughtful, friendly, positive, exactly what you want. Or maybe you just want to improve your writing. Like maybe you didn't have a lot of time and you drafted something quickly. Well, you just paste that in here and your AI will make it great. But it will still sound like you. Like what this is like, if you had 4 or 5 hours to write it perfectly, this is what it would sound like. But now you don't need that time. Just write a draft and your AI will keep your tone, keep your authentic personality, but just make it great in seconds. So all of your messages, your outreach, your comments, your replies, closing sales, building relationships over email, over Messenger, over all types of social media. But we're still just getting started. This is cool. Imagine if your AI was also your very own marketing director. Well, what would that look like? Well, imagine if your AI was analyzing all of your data in real time and recommending marketing activities and marketing strategies to you 24/7. Something like this. Your AI says to you, I think it'd be a good idea for you to share a blog on LinkedIn about the benefits of meditation. It's popular nowadays, and sharing your insights would demonstrate your knowledge and add value for your network. And you say, you know what? That's a pretty good idea. Thanks. Me, I guess. Thanks, AI version of me. Please do go ahead and write that blog post. Just click. Or maybe your AI suggests, let's reach out to 5 new prospects today. Great opportunity to expand your network and build new relationships. I like that suggestion. Thanks, AI. Click to get prospect. That's pretty impressive, right? An AI version of you to handle your branding, your social media, all your messages, and your marketing strategy. With a tone and personality that is totally authentic to who you are. Now that's got to be it, right? Wrong. Now I'm going to get to the really, really cool stuff. Okay, that was like the warm-up. We're going to get to the really cool stuff now. Wouldn't it be cool if your AI could be added to your website to chat with your visitors 24 hours a day? That would be cool. Let's do it. So you will be able to add your AI as a chat bot on your website that you build with us, or on your digital business card, to answer questions from site visitors in your tone, in your voice. In any language? Yes, absolutely. Even, and I think this is Mandarin. So now all of a sudden you have an AI version of you that understands your products, understands your pricing, understands your personality, and is available 24/7 to your website visitors to answer questions in any language. That's pretty phenomenal. Okay, what about your team? Now, we all have our favorite features, okay? Cheryl has hers, Adrian's got his. Everyone's got their favorite. This is my favorite. You be the judge. I think this is amazing. What if NowAI was also the perfect solution for team leaders, okay? So to understand this, just remember a few minutes ago when we were talking about training your AI during the onboarding, answering a few questions about yourself. Now, imagine if you could train your AI on even more information, like a lot more information, like every product detail, every price, every policy from your company, every detail of your compensation plan. But that's not all. What about every presentation you ever did? Every demo, every video you produced on YouTube or Vimeo, that all this work that you did for your team, you know, the really important stuff that no one watches? Well, your AI will learn it all perfectly in minutes. And then your AI, with all of that knowledge, will be available to chat with your team members 24/7 in any language. Think about what this can do for teams, what this can do for communication. Hey, Rebecca asked a team member, are there any bonus opportunities this month? And instantly, Rebecca AI knows the answer and replies, hi, Sarah, absolutely. We have an exciting bonus opportunity this month. If you sign up more than 5 people, you earn an extra $50 bonus. Someone else asks, what time is the training? Rebecca AI knows the answer. Hi, Eric. The training today takes place Tuesday at 5 o'clock. See you there. And then if you're a team leader, you're going to relate to this. When Nikki asked the exact same question 5 minutes later, I want to make it to the next training session. What time is it again? Rebecca AI is there to answer it perfectly every single time, 24 hours a day in any language, on anything that you train it. Think about how this can improve compliance and risk. This is so cool. Check this out. Your team members could say to you, hey, is this okay to post on Facebook? Presenting our latest edition, health shakes that help you shed those extra pounds, get 10 pounds lighter. It's a guarantee. They can ask you that. And now your AI, because it knows all of the company policies, because it understands all of the legislation, all of the laws, it can reply faster and better than a lawyer can and say, I love seeing you pump up everyone with these health shakes. Your enthusiasm's great, but it's a guarantee is not compliant with our guidelines. Avoid framing it as a guaranteed weight loss solution. Try this instead, and it will actually propose an alternative that is compliant. What about this? What about motivation? How much do I earn for signing up 3 people? So yes, your AI can understand even the most complicated compensation plan and will answer questions accurately to your team members. But I don't want you to think that this is just about answering questions. It can do even more than that. If you teach your AI your marketing strategy, you just teach it what works for you, your AI will be able to coach the individual members of your team to success with your strategy. That is called duplication. That is the holy grail in network marketing. For example, Rebecca AI reaches out to a member of her team to say, hey, remember that networking is the key. I encourage you to reach out to at least 5 new prospects today. Whatever your strategy is, you can train your AI, and your AI can individually coach and mentor every member of your team. That's unbelievable. So yes, it can answer all your team members' questions perfectly. It can help with motivation and compliance. It can individually coach your team members on your strategy. It is your perfect partner to lead your team. Even I will admit, that's a lot. But believe it or not, everything I just told you, all of these unprecedented, game-changing, industry-changing capabilities that you will not find anywhere else in the world, and please try, they are all just the beginning of what we have planned for NowAI. We are building something completely unique. As I said at the beginning, our intention is clear. It is to disrupt the network marketing industry and improve millions of lives by solving your biggest challenges. With authenticity, right? Not by turning you into something that you're not, by letting the real you shine through. Using AI to let you be yourself, your best authentic self every day. That's what this is all about. It's about making it easy for you to share yourself with the world with confidence. And that's why we say it's you powered by AI. All of you will be our next success stories. I have no doubt of that. You can be influential and memorable and inspiring, and our job is to make that easy.
And for the first time ever, there is a solution. Introducing NowAI. You had the pleasure of seeing all of its many capabilities and features by our founder and CEO, Justin Bellababa. That was just incredible. Sock emojis just flying everywhere. Amazing. Because it has analyzed the most successful leaders, influencers, and marketers to guide you step by step to success. Because that's what we need, right? Just tell me what to do, I can do it. With NowAI, social media marketing is no longer a struggle. It becomes a strength. It's your superpower. And it's finally your turn to have a real solution. You can be memorable. You can be inspiring. You are inspiring. It's time to share it with the world. And you can be worth following. You are. I want to ask you this. Are you ready to stop struggling and start succeeding? Maybe you've come here because someone said to you, what you're about to see is going to knock your socks off. It's going to be the most amazing thing you've ever seen. It's going to be the answer, everything you've been waiting for. Well, for our new customers, that means that you've never been a customer of NowSite. You want to run back and get with the person that invited you here today, because you have an opportunity to get it at NowAI in our pre-launch special offer. You're also going to get that beta access on August 10th and have all the capabilities of NowAI when you become a NowSite customer. And you can choose the plan that's right for you. You can get NowAI plus 50% off our marketing plan for a total of $24.50 a month. Or you can grab that annual plan and pay just $240 when you use code AI. You may be like many of the people here who have our unlimited plan and want to get access to that unlimited plan plus, right now, AI. Well, you can get NowAI plus 50% off our unlimited plan and pay just $49.50 a month. That price is locked in for a year. That includes the beta access to NowAI. Or you can take advantage of our annual plan and save even more. You want to run back to the person that invited you here today and take advantage of this special offer.